Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's short video, not doing any kind of project, it's just going to be me talking, but I thought I'd hop on here for 4 or 5 minutes and give you guys a channel update. Thank you all for joining me on my woodworking journey. My woodworking videos will always be uploaded on a Monday. Secondary videos with my other interests will always be uploaded on a Wednesday. But let me jump right into it, and I want to tell everybody that I'm not getting away from YouTube. My desktop, where I edit all the YouTube videos that I shoot for you guys to see, is going out of style. It is a Vista desktop, and that is an extremely old desktop. The programs I use for video editing and everything like that is all geared toward Vista. I'm in the market for a new desktop. That is a huge investment. I don't have a bunch of money to invest in a desktop, and if I had like $1,000 to invest in one of the very nice desktops, I would not invest in a desktop and get a new, bigger scroll saw. I love the scroll saw I use, but I want to make bigger and bigger things on the scroll saw. But I'm not getting away from YouTube. It's just going to take me time to research and find the desktop that I really do like and that will work for me. Again, the programs for video editing is for Vista, and I don't know if when I do update and transfer everything over to a new desktop, will I have to learn a new video editing software or new voiceover software or stuff like that, like I do in my videos. So just bear with me. I do have a Windows 10 laptop that goes with me when I go to the beach, to where I can kind of keep up on social media and everything with everybody, but it don't have the pulling power of the desktop to edit and compress and then convert files for YouTube. I may try to do a few videos, a few small things on those, but the videos are not going away. I'm just letting you guys know, if you don't see an update from me for a while, that is the reason. I'll be learning, and I'm going to do it as quick as I can. Also, I'm planning on totally flipping the workshop. A lot of stuff will stay in the same place, but also a lot of stuff will be moving as I'm out here longer and doing videos, and I want to do more in-depth videos and just camera setups and all. I need to rearrange the shop. The table that this camera tripod is sitting on, I'm thinking about removing completely to give it a more open floor plan where you can stand at the workbenches without having to move nothing, and kind of let the table saw just kind of free float in the middle of the workshop, and build maybe a little cart or something for the desktop planer to sit on, which is also sitting at the end of the table, which you guys can't see. Future projects I have planned, I have 2 lathe videos planned. One is a lobster buoy that you get in their decor type things, and you can customize them, different sizes, different shapes. Also, I turned and posted over on my Instagram page a captured ring that was live edged on a piece of black walnut, which was really cool and got a lot of response on Instagram about how the bark didn't fly off. So I want to film that and document that, if I can redo that and recapture what I did off camera. Also, for scroll saw projects, I have a bunch of scroll saw themed projects planned. A lot of Steve Good ideas coming down the pipe, and he's uploading always, and I love interacting and talking with him. I met him last October, and he kind of gave me the go-ahead and give me his blessing to keep using his patterns and videos to teach, which is what I'm essentially trying to do for you guys, is teach you if you are uncomfortable on any tool or the scroll saw. And I've also got plans for a Jaws portrait. I laid a piece of tracing paper on a smaller Jaws paper poster, and I traced it out, so I now have the Jaws pattern, you know, to cut out on the scroll saw, and I really want to document that. I think I want to do that around summertime. I think it would be fitting. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Jaws, but that is something that I have designed personally, and I traced with the tracing paper over the poster and made it into a scroll saw pattern. I've got some people want me to do portraits, custom scroll saw portraits, and I want to ask their permission to do those on film as well. I will keep filming and just keeping it on the SD cards and the micro SD cards until I get a new desktop where I can edit everything. But as I'm not going away from YouTube, it's just I'm taking a hiatus while I learn new techniques and get my technology up to speed. When I first started this YouTube channel, I was filming with a little flip camera that was no bigger than a deck of cards, and I filmed like my first 5 or 6 videos before I got the camera I'm filming with now. Technology is always updating, and it's just time for me to update my desktop. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this. I hope you all have a great spring, and I'm going to keep trying to upload videos. It just might take a little longer, but until next time, guys, that's about all for this video. Remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.